Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Okay, here's what I have for you guys, although it's limited edition Laroc cocktail collection. Okay, I got this eyeshadow palette. It's called Fruit Punch. I got it from Wowcher. I don't know whether it's still available on Amazon though, but I got it from wowcher. So in total you have 15 shades, quite colorful. They have about 5 of these, but this one appeared to me more because I like anything colorful. I pay about just over £5 for it, but you pay another like £2.50 or £2.99 for postage. So in total you're talking about £8 or just over £8. First thing first, let me just prime my eye. I have do the other eye off camera briefly. Let me just prime using P. Louise base. I will just dab this down. First shade I'm gonna go in with is gonna be this shade here, and it's called Cream Brulee. That's what that shade called. I will just dab this here. I'll go in with this shade here called Orange Soda. Up here. So I will still use that same shade to blend between the both shades, so we will not have a big line. I'll go in with this shade, which is called Espresso Martini. See this brush, it can hit anywhere on your face. My outer V. Espresso Martini. Martini, please. No martini, no party. Just slightly. Just to darken it basically. Creme brulee. I'll dab that creme brulee here. My crease off camera, I guess. And I have cut my crease off camera. I will just dab a bit here, not too much this time. I will take this shade, Creme Brulee. I'll just use this to blend this area. Go in with this brush here. I will apply this shade here and this called this very shade, Jelly Bean. I'll apply Jelly Bean all over my crease. It's so uncomfortable not sitting down for me. Shade though is fire. Now that I've done that, I will use this creme brulee to blend this area. This one, I'll go for Orange Soda. Orange Soda, which is this shade. Then I will add it up. The foundation is the Juvia's Place. Anyway. Shade what? Nairobi. Foundation on my neck, since we are here. The 16-hour wear, I have made a video on this concealer when I use this shade. To highlight under my eye, the shade is C10.5.
Okay.
All right, say hi to everyone.
Hello.
Baby girl, say hi, hello to you guys.
It's freezing outside.
It's cold.
My face is numb.
It's numb.
Yeah.
Oh, bless my girl. You know what? I'm just gonna apply this. It's Crystal. It's from Collection. Glam Crystal. On my waterline. I will go with this shade first. Ooh. Go back in with this shade. Hey. I want this here. It would be nice if I can stretch it. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it. I'll just use this on my inner corner. This shade is called Filthy Rich. Ha! I'm gonna apply Filthy Rich on my inner corner. Oh wow. Use this I'll use this shade for my highlighter. Frosted grapefruit. I'm gonna use it for my highlighter. And I didn't even spray or anything. It's a bit flaky, but it's gorgeous. Ooh. Highlighter before contour. Well, whatever. Let's use this one as a blush. Now I can spray from Collection. Wow, this is white. Try this. Okay, this shade is called Frosty. Ooh. Ooh. I truly highlight today though. You can see my highlight from space. I truly highlight today. Like, I am just applying my lashes now. I thought I was gonna do my lashes off camera, but here I am. The style I use is nuts. She's gorgeous and she's available on our website. Here is now the final look. What do you think, guys? Let me just zoom you in a little bit. Okay, guys, I have done everything now. I can't remember where I was up to. You know, because I'm also doing Facebook and Instagram one, so I can't tell you where I was up to. Okay, now let's go back to this palette. Whether you can still get it on Amazon, I am not 100% sure, but I got this. They really, I think it's either 5 or 4 of these, but this one is more popping. You know, the rest, they are colorful as well, but this one called my name more than the rest. That's why I got this. I might get more, but depends how I feel. You know, it's not like I don't have a colorful palette. The reason I truly like this palette is how big it is on a pan. As you can see, they are quite big. 4 months to use it was very, very inexpensive. So, guys, I like it. I like it. Will I recommend it? Yes, I will. I will recommend it. But can you able to find it? I'm not sure. I got mine from Wowcher. If you live in the UK, Wowcher is, you know, the advert is on TV. Wowcher! So that's where I got this palette from. Yes, that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. If you have any other eyeshadow you would like me to, you know, try on this channel, don't hesitate to leave your comment below. Let me know what you think about this tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to my channel. So guys, I will see you on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.